Wow, this place is huge. I can't wait to go inside. It smells so good in here. I'm already excited. Oh wow, this vacuum cleaner looks really nice.
Wow, this vacuum cleaner looks amazing.
They say it can clean everything in just one go.
Wow, this new game console looks awesome.
The camera on this phone is really sharp. Race you to the next aisle! Wait for me, Tom. Don't go too fast.
Whoa, look, there's a warning sign. You're not allowed to run in the supermarket. Slippery floors can be very dangerous.
We're sorry, Mom. We won't run again. Wow, that airplane looks so cool.
Maybe I can climb a little.
Tom, be careful.
Hey, buddy, stop right there. You should not climb on it.
Wow, look at this dishwasher. It could save us so much time in the kitchen. If we had this dishwasher, we could bake cookies every weekend.
That sounds amazing.
These plates are really pretty. Mom is taking a long time.
My stomach is growling. This cake looks delicious.
Just one bite.
Hey kids, stop right there. You can't open food before paying.
The apples look really fresh.
I'm still so hungry.
Me too, really hungry. Oh no, look, an apple.
Maybe we can eat it.
Kids, what are you doing? You can't eat like that. We still have to pay for it before eating.
We're really sorry.
Where is the apple which I dropped before? That apple is mine. I paid for it.
We're really sorry.
We didn't know it was yours.
It's okay, kids. Mistakes happen. Just remember to be more careful next time.
We will, Mom. Thank you for forgiving us. I'm still really hungry.
Me too, stomach is growling.
I can't wait until we eat something.
All right, let's pay now so we can eat. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Thank you.
Here you go. You can eat now. Remember to share with Anna.
This one is yours. And you can also share with Tom.
Only eat food after we pay.
Yes, Mom, we will.
This is so good.
It is more delicious now. See, waiting is worth it.
I'm really proud of you. You learned so fast. Let's head home.
We feel full now. Can we come again next week?
Of course, if you remember today's lessons.
It feels nice to walk home after shopping.
It really does, sweetie. We bought a lot today.
Yeah, the cart was so full. And I got my favorite fruit.
You sure did. Did you remember what we learned today?
Yes, Mom. We will be careful next time. I want to eat the cake first next time.
Patience is important, remember?
Can we come shopping again next week?
Yeah, and we can get ice cream too.
Yes, but only if you remember today's lessons.
I see our house. We made it home.
Let's put the shopping away first.
I want the apples first. And now the cake. We should share it. Yeah, let's share.
It tastes amazing.
Yum, waiting was worth it.
I'm proud of you, kids. Let's clean up together.
Okay, Mom,
Great job.
I'm helping. All clean.
Perfect.
Today was really fun. Yes, the supermarket was amazing.
I'm glad you both had fun. But remember the lessons from today. Will you remember?
We remember. We will remember. Next time I won't run in the supermarket.
I'm proud of how you both behaved.
Thank you, Mom.
We learned a lot today.
I'm so proud of you both.
Yes, and that makes me very happy.
Next week will be fun too.
Now let's relax for the evening.
Okay, Mom. Yeah.
Today was one of the best days.
Yes, and the apple tasted great.
And you both learned important lessons. Does that sound good, kids?
Yes, Mom.
Next week will be fun too. I'm sure it will.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, kids.
Today was really special.
Yes, I had so much fun.
I'm glad you enjoyed the day. And remember the lessons we learned today.
We will remember. We will remember.
That makes me very happy.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, kids.
What a wonderful day yesterday was.
Yes, I learned many things.
Breakfast is ready.
Coming, Mom. Coming, Mom.
This looks delicious.
Remember what we learned yesterday. Would you like some more pancakes, kids?
Yes, Mom.
Remember, kids, always follow rules and be patient. Subscribe to learn English with stories for more fun stories.